ICT skills like PowerPoint, iMovie, Internet and research.
I flip through blogging.
I do research from Google about my unit. We used Google Docs, which helped us coordinate when we were not present. We were not seeing each other, but we communicated by it. So it was very useful for us to express our learnings, and we also did blogging.
We use ICT in our planning as well as in teaching also. In planning, we do unit planners and everything. We upload it on our Google Drive. It's very easy for others also to see and view what all things are going on in a particular class. We use Excel to keep students' data, and that will give us analysis also how the student is progressing in a particular subject. It is very easy to analyze the data for us.
Good morning, I'm Jay. I'm from DP1. ICT is one of the important part of my life for my research, to write my thesis, to work. Mostly I use ICT to explore. I use ICT for my planning, assessments, organization.
I use digitally software in my daily teaching. It really makes my teaching a lot of fun and interactive. It provides with a lot of features like games, virtual labs, knowledge library, question papers, quizzes, as it is online interactive quizzes, interactive lessons. So it really becomes comfortable with the students.
It was a great experience, learn new ICT skills. We learned sound effects. I learned new features like GarageBand, iMovie, and also we made movies. That was also a learning experience for us.
I also encourage my students to use ICT. The reason behind this is the more they use, the more savvy they become, and it's helpful not only to them but also to me. I also use ICT in my planning, for my daily planning, weekly planning, and the overall planning of the year. And it's very helpful to me as well as the students.
ICT is a skill in which we learn all about technology, and technology is a main role in our life, and it's very useful.
I have recently joined one of the MOOC MOOC classes, which is also called as Massive Open Online Course. Through this course, I got to know how to use Prezi, Dropbox. With help of my colleague, I have started using Edmodo and ManageBack. Now I don't need to give homework in the class. Even if I'm not present in class, I can give homework on ManageBack, which students can do at their own time, at their own pace, and upload it on ManageBack, where I can download and check and give them reflection. And at Calorix, we are using all this.
At our school, we are using the Google Drives, whereby the teachers submit their weekly planners, and there is a template created using Google Forms. As far as the students are concerned, we are using ManageBack to monitor CAS and also for reporting. We also use Turnitin software to check the plagiarism, and over and above all this, we conduct sessions on Skype and webinars. So we are planning to join IB virtual community. So all these things will definitely go a long way in integrating technology in the education sector, especially in the Calorix group. Thank you.